Hello, I'm Javier Campo and this is what I have on my fridge. Well, first I have some eggs. On the other side I have a little cheese. What else? Well, I have a little milk and many bottles of ketchup. What else? I have a lot of bottles from this side, like, well, that's much Maggi. That is a kind of sauce that is from chipotle pepper, and I have much of that sauce. I have a little sauce of Tabasco. I have many habanero peppers and many tunas. I have a slice of cake. I have a yogurt or no, chantilly, a few chantilly. I have a lot of garlic. Normally, on my breakfast, I usually take 2 eggs and I mix it with a slide of ham. And this is my breakfast. I eat so healthy, well, sometimes. At dinner, maybe I eat like well, I have this poblano pepper that have a kind of meal inside. That's name in Spanish is chile nogada, but that don't have like a cream that you can put. And that's all. I think.